Next to weekly challenge 4. Always anxious. Number 1, verification and reporting come directly before? Of course not. It's after. What is the first step in the verification process? All right. Compare clean data with original unclean dataset and compare it to what is there now. Create a chronological list of modifications made to the data. Inform others of your data. Determine the quality of the data. I feel like it's this one. Number 3, trim is a function that removes repeated leading and trailing. Number 4, while verifying clean data, a data analyst encounters a misspelling. Which function can be used to determine if the error is repeated? Um, counter, because it's a name, right? It's a string. If it's number, you use count. But if it's a name, it's a string, you use counter. I don't know what's check. Check? This is fund, right? Not check. Number 5, a data analyst uses the case statement to consider one or more um, um, identifications. Oh my gosh. Consider maybe this one. I'm not sure. Number 6, a data analyst uses a changelog when cleaning data. What process does a changelog support? Documentation. Number 7, at what point during the analysis process does data analyst use a changelog? Change cleaning. While cleaning the data? Reporting. Number 8, reviewing vision history is an effective way to view version history is effective way to view a change in SQL. Now it's in spreadsheet. So many unsure. I knew it. All right, let's see. All right, let's look at it again. Case statement.
Hey there! In this video, we'll continue building on the verification process. As a quick reminder, the goal is to ensure that our data cleaning work was done properly and the results can be counted on. You want your data to be verified so you know it's 100% ready to go. It's sort of like car companies running tons of tests to make sure a car is safe before it hits the road. You learn that the first step in verification is returning to your original, unclean dataset and comparing it to what you have now. This is an opportunity to search for common problems. After that, you clean up the problems manually, for example, by eliminating extra spaces or removing an unwanted quotation mark. But there's also some great tools for fixing common errors automatically, such as trim and remove duplicates. Earlier, you learned that trim is a function that removes leading, trailing, and sometimes you have an error that shows up repeatedly. and it can't be resolved with a quick manual edit or a tool that fixes the problem automatically. In these cases, it's helpful to create a pivot table. A pivot table is a spreadsheet from a party supply store. Let's say this company was interested in learning which supplier provides correctly. Spreadsheet and allows you to replace it with something else in the supplier's name. Options as default.
I just want to know the case.
So first, note that there's also a function called not what we formulas and function spelling, and we verified that the case statement goes through one or more conditions and returns a value as soon as a condition is met.
All right. Oh yeah. One or more conditions. Yeah, for example, case. Okay, let's look at it.
Let's discuss how this works in real life using our customer_name table. Check out how our customer Tony Magnolia shows up as Tony and Tinoy. Tony's name was misspelled. Their purchase. We don't want a query with the basic We know the data comes from. Next, we tell D and first names. We know that Tony was misspelled. So we'll correct that using case. We'll add case
ID
and then when and type first_name
when.
equal T Noi. Next, we'll use the then command and type Tony, followed by the else command. Here we'll type first_name, followed by and as, and then we'll type cleaned_name.
C case is one or more condition. One condition when, then another condition else. Finally, index. Alright, so one day. Use a change log, cleaning the data. Okay, alright, let's do it again because it's kind of important. Reporting. How many identical errors? 看它 case. Yeah. When, then, else. Yeah, see that? Use the change log while cleaning data. Okay. Chronologic. It means it tell you the order of time. A data analyst commits a query to the repository as a new and improved query. Then they specify the changes made and why. I mean, it's yeah, that's it. They should be fine. Yeah, that's it. Thank you.